Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really great craft gin and tonic and use a little bit of science to take it over the top. Now the problem with most people when they make a gin and tonic is they spend a lot of money on a nice bottle of gin and then they proceed to mix it with a very cheap tonic flavored corn syrup water. These tend to be really sweet and just lack a lot of depth of flavor. Luckily, you can make your own tonic concentrate at home very easily. It doesn't take a lot of time or money. I'm not going to go over the steps on how to make it today, but if you want to try it, go to Google and search tonic recipes and there'll be hundreds of them for you to try. If you don't want to make your own tonic concentrate, there's a couple pre-made ones you can buy. Jack and Rudy's and John's are two examples. If you're lucky, they might carry them at your local liquor store. If not, you might have to order them online. But either way, once you have your tonic concentrate, you can mix it with club soda and gin at this point and have a really great gin and tonic. But the problem with this is anytime you mix a non-carbonated beverage, gin in this case, with a carbonated beverage, your tonic water, you're going to end up with a very mildly carbonated beverage. The solution to this is to carbonate everything together. Now in order to do this, you're going to need a home carbonating device. You could use a soda stream or a soda siphon if you have one of those. If you don't, you could build your own like I have here. And there's plenty of tutorials online on how to do this, but if you're going to go that route, please make sure that you're careful, because any time that you're dealing with contents of the pressure, there are some dangers involved. So go ahead and add your gin to your tonic concentrate, and then you're going to want to add water. When you do this, you want to make sure everything is nice and cold, because you're going to get a really better carbonation that way. Add everything to your carbonating vessel. In this case, I'm just using a 1 liter bottle. If you're going to be making a lot, you can use a 2 liter bottle because the cap sizes are the same. You don't want to really fill it up more than 2/3 of the way, but if you don't fill it up quite that much, that's fine too. Go ahead and loosely put the top on your carbonating vessel, squeeze out the excess air, and then tighten it down. Once you have this done, you can add your CO2. Now make sure to set your pressure regulator to 45 psi tops. You don't want to go much higher than that. When the gas starts flowing, you want to shake it to agitate it. And then go ahead and add more CO2. You want to do this about 2 or 3 times to get good carbonation. Once you've completed your carbonating process, undo the top and slowly let the gas out. Sometimes it foams. That's not a problem if it does. Go ahead and serve it over ice with your favorite garnish and get ready to enjoy the best gin and tonic that you've ever had. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please vote for me in Avenue Grills. Show us your cocktail competition. Cheers.